Today I'll discuss about OXIME as cholinesterase reactivator. So, organophosphate poisoning is a major threat to humans. OXIMEs are used as adjunctive antidote with atropine, main antidote in organophosphate poisoning. These OXIMEs are basically used for the removal or for decreasing the skeletal muscular symptoms. So, common OXIME based reactivators or nerve antidote includes Pralidoxime, Obidoxime, HI6, Trimedoxime, and Methoxime. Among them, Pralidoxime is the only drug of this class approved by the FDA. OXIME has gained popularity due to effectiveness against nerve agents. This is achieved by their ability to reactivate the enzyme acetylcholinesterase. So, OXIME basically act peripherally because it is not possible for OXIME to cross the blood-brain barrier and produce central effects. Organophosphates are widely used as insecticides, pesticides, as medication, and as chemical weapons. Organophosphates are extremely toxic compounds, and the symptoms of poisoning vary from nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, muscle tremor, confusion, and can be fatal in minutes to days depending upon the toxicity of the agent. Death occurs due to respiratory failure. Tetraethyl pyrophosphate TEPP was the first organophosphate synthesized in 1854. So, action of pralidoxime: the inactivation of acetylcholinesterase by organophosphate leads to the accumulation of acetylcholine in the exposed individual, results in overactivation of the muscarinic and nicotinic receptors, which leads to the above discussed symptoms. The symptoms I have already discussed. The phosphorylated enzyme reacts very slowly with water or not at all. However, if more reactive groups are provided in the form of OXIME, reactivation occurs a million times faster. Pralidoxime has a positively charged quaternary nitrogen atom of the pyridinium ion, which interacts specifically with the anionic site of the acetylcholinesterase. Then the hydroxyl group present in the OXIME molecule replaces serine residue by nucleophilic substitution, liberating the OH group of the amino acids. It happens due to higher affinity of the pralidoxime to become phosphorylated over the serine residues by organophosphates, and ultimately liberating acetylcholinesterase and make it available for acetylcholine binding. The restoration of the enzyme acetylcholine relieves the poisoning symptoms such as muscle twitching and tremors, convulsions, breathing difficulty, and fatigue. So, this is the pictorial depiction. This is the phosphorylated enzyme. This is the phosphorylated enzyme, and this is the reaction of the phosphorylated enzyme with the OXIME, which leads to the reactivation of the enzyme. The OXIME basically attack here. This is the anionic site. So, this is the pictorial depiction, phosphorylated enzyme, and this is the formation of the phosphorylated enzyme, and this is the reactivation of the phosphorylated enzyme. So, the minimum therapeutic amount of pralidoxime is reported to be 4 microgram per ml in blood plasma, which can be reached within 15 minutes after intramuscular injection, single injection, and similar dose can be repeated after 1 hour of the symptoms. Maximum concentration reached within 35 minutes. However, OXIME cannot be used in carbamate poisoning because the anionic site is already occupied in carbamylated enzymes, and carbamates have weak anticholinesterase activity of its own. So, the clinical benefit of OXIME therapy actually depends on the type of organophosphates, because different organophosphates have different aging time, and due to aging the enzyme becomes totally resistant to hydrolysis. So, this is a criteria: the amount entered in the body and time lapse before therapy started. So, this is all about OXIME as cholinesterase reactivator. Action of the OXIME as pralidoxime as the prototype, because it is the FDA approved drug for organophosphate poisoning. pictorial depiction of the phosphorylation of the enzyme and then its reactivation. So here I am ending my today's video. See you in my next video with another topic. And guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.